go in and check out another one of my favorite stores. You're probably thinking, man, this girl's got a lot of favorite stores, but I like to shop. So, and I like to shop local, even though this one happens to be a franchise. This is actually Pottery Barn. So this store opened 12 years ago, so around 2011, it opened its doors in Market Common, and let's go in and see what they have. We're just going to kind of walk around real quick so we don't keep you too long, but of course they always have Easter stuff. Furniture. I think that's outdoor furniture. Fun table settings. Baskets of all different sizes. And you know what? They always have super nice, I've gotten silverware here before. They have really nice silverware sets. Or actually it's called flatware. Cute patterns. If you like candles, all this kind of fun stuff. It's just so clean and refreshing. Like right here, you can kind of skim over and see everything they have to offer. They got candles of every size. Look at that. Oh, and these are nice too. They have the flameless candles. Oh, and they are battery operated. What if they have oh, it's got a timer. Yeah, okay, so these are on the timer, which I like. Sale items. Who doesn't like a sale? Oh, it smells good. Some bath items. Yes, I'm just doing a video. Thank you. You know, it's so funny. I have 2 dogs and a husband, and I love white furniture, but look, I just love it. This is actually almost like a jean material, a denim material. Very nice. Pottery Barn's been a staple for a long time. Here's where they do their custom stuff, their custom design when you pick out their furniture. Look at this nice cozy. Ooh. This would probably be easy to make if you're a knitter. Bedroom furniture, sheets. That's nice. Okay. And then, of course, they do have their bedding collection. So if you would like to come in here, we did put the hours in this video, and I always do Google reviews as well. So we'll make sure that we update. And if you need any hours, it's just the Pottery Barn in Market Common. There's only one around here, so thanks for watching. Bye.